Welcome to GeorgeWay mathTV.
Suppose that the relation h is defined as follows. H equals all these, and give the domain and range of h. Write your answers using set notation. Okay. Alright, so I learned that for domain, first of all, I have to write my answers using set notation. I have this, okay? But I know my domain is always my x values, right? And whenever I have two things like that in the parentheses, first one is x, the second one is y. First one, x, y, x, y, x, y. So I remember that, okay? And my domain is the x values. So all I have to do is just copy my x values, and that will be my domain. So I have this right here. So I have 6, -9, 0, 1, and I close it with that. So all I have to do with my domain is just to copy what I have for my x's. And the first one, all the first ones are my x's. So that was for the domain. And the range, again, I do this. The range is always my y values. So what I have for my y is always my range. So first one here, my y is 6. The second one here, my y is 1. Third one here, my y is -8. And the last one, my y is a 9. And I close it with that. And guess what? I'm done.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.